Right, here's my HVAC tip. If you have a package unit like me, do not take something and tighten this. Screw it in there. It says, why? Because it's all cheap plastic. See that? But this is a good bit, of course. Heat pump. Yeah, see here, I don't know why. Okay, there it went. Okay. See, packaged heat pump. And the condensate should not be pointed down like this. It should be pointed up to where it could flow out whenever it gets full and yada yada yada. Oh my god, it's cold out. This is off right now. Yeah. You could hear the temp star. Oh. Reversing valve. That right there is what a reversing valve looks like. If you see one of those in an air conditioner, it's a heat pump. Or if you see that little thing that looks like a spider right there, that's a TXV valve. This has got a Copeland compressor. What the hell? It done it again. I don't know if this is defrosting or not. Ah, fuck it, it's defrosting. Son of a bitch, I thought this thing locked up again. Oh, it sounds like it. Excuse me. Temp star is very popular around here. Oh, that wire going through the window is not for the air conditioner. Oh. Yeah. Okay, bye.